What is up, YouTube? Fright Dealer here, bringing you another video, and this time I'm bringing you a theme that many of you might have seen going around on Twitter because my friend Echo666 has been basically putting it up there with some awesome screenshots. And I'm going to show you basically the beta, and this video is going to show you all the features that it currently has, and I'm going to be explaining a little bit of the ones that are going to be coming up in the future. So let's go into DreamBoard and start messing around with DreAmIt for DreamBoard. This is the iPhone 5 version. I believe Echo has in store for an iPhone 4 version, but I'm not sure. I'm going to talk with him. I'm going to see what we can figure out. So this is it, guys, and I just can't stress enough how awesome it looks like. It's beautiful. I mean, everything, every little detail is just polished down to a very slick point, and I love it. And also because of the fact that I really just love navigation themes. So right here, guys, we have the home page, and if you click up here, it'll basically open up a folder where you'll find all your apps that you have on your iPhone with a nice little icon overlay and icon mask. So every single icon you have here, it will be completely masked no matter how you download it. And it just looks awesome. It works great. If you want to go back, there's a back button right over here. Just tap and it'll bring you back to the page you were on. You got a nice little time widget up here. You got the title of the page that you're on. You got an awesome weather widget here. Major props to Ryan Style, man, because that guy is awesome. He got this working in no time flat. So let's see. We also got a media page that also comes with its own folder where you can put icons in. I'll tell you how to do that for future reference. You got social media. You got your configurations or your settings. You got your games page where each one of these you can open up and add content or the icons to it for your actions, your sports games, racing, puzzle. You can basically put them up in the folders. You got your little icon for Game Center. You also got a page for your apps, so you can open up the App Store. You got maps. You have notes. You have calculator. You also have reminders here. Let's see, what do we have here? We have the settings app, Cydia, DreamBoard, WinterBoard, iFile, and also, if for those who don't know, this theme is also going to come with a WinterBoard UI made by Echo himself. And I'm actually using it right now. And this is just a little mini beta of what it's going to look like. It's not complete because the release date, we're still discussing it, but we're probably going to bring it in sooner than later than how we hope. So it's the DreAmIt WinterBoard UI. And it looks nice, to be honest. I like it. It goes really well with the theme. Each page has its own little custom-made folder, and it just looks awesome, guys. It looks beautiful. So, for editing, right now, I currently have it set for configure settings. You tap it, you enter edit mode, you go into a folder, you just place the icon that you want, blah, 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 blah. And it'll all go in there. You want to get out of edit mode, press the home button. Bam, and you're out. And it stays saved, guys. I'm going to make sure that when I save this theme and put it out there for everyone, or when Echo decides to release it, that the permissions are set so no one has any more problems saying that, oh, they set their layout the way they wanted it, but then when they went back to the theme and got out of DreamBoard, it all got deleted, blah, blah, blah. I also have a previous video on how to fix that, on how to set your permissions. Just go check it out. And anyone who comes with me saying that, oh, how do I do this and that, I'm just going to refer you to the video, guys. I explain in detail how to do it. So that's basically the beta for right now of this moment. There's going to be a lot more additions that I have in mind and want to share with Echo. So we're going to be adding on, taking off, and it might look a little bit different than how it looks like right now. But this is the beta as of now. So as a beta for now, it looks beautiful. I mean, I love it. I've been using this bad boy for a while, like since I finished making the beta, and it's just amazing. That weather widget is so beautiful. So yeah, guys, that's the beta for now. I'm gonna be putting up a video later on how to change the icons. Well, not how I'm gonna say this. To go into the code, the plist of the DreamBoard theme, and change the icon path that gets launched when you tap it. So let's say for those that don't use Facebook, but they use something similar to Facebook like Paper. Well, when you tap it, it's gonna open up Facebook. But if you don't have the app, if you don't have the Facebook app, you're just going to tap it and it's not going to open up anything. So later on in another video, I'm going to show you how you can go in, find the icon, and change the launch code to set to the app for Paper or whatever you use as a Facebook replacement. Same with Twitter. If you don't use Twitter or you use Tweetbot or whatever else, I have the Twitter app, so it's going to open up Twitter. But for those that have something else that replaces Twitter, I'm going to show you how you can change that. So later on, you can customize it to the way you are. Or the way you use, my bad. Because I can't do that through DreamBoard, guys. It's a little advanced and it's a pain in the neck. And it's basically almost impossible at the stages DreamBoard is now. So I kind of hope Wind Warriors out there listening to this video and says, hey, why not update it and make DreamBoard a little bit better? And if not, it's alright, because DreamBoard is still kick-ass the way it is. So there you have it, guys. That's the beta. We're going to have wallpaper selections. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the future features. We're going to have wallpaper selection, guys, so you're going to be able to choose from different wallpapers, not just the one that's here, which is like a gray with a little stripe detail. We might also add in some sidebar like kind of like images to change around also, kind of like with the wallpaper. That way, if you don't like this gradient sidebar under these icons, we can also change it. So it'll be no biggie. Probably also going to have some other features. Maybe some web widgets thrown in there. And some other things that might come to us in the meantime. It just comes to us in a moment. We just decide if we all agree on it, we're going to throw it in. So yeah, guys. Follow Echo666. I'll have his Twitter page under in the description. Follow bAdstylee or Ryan, as I call him, or however he calls himself, Ryan Style, bAdstylee. He always changes it. But I'm also gonna have his Twitter page link in the description. Follow me as well for other future updates on how the theme is going. The same with Echo and Ryan. Follow both of them. Check out how everything's going. The release date, we have been discussing it. I'm pretty sure Echo put up in Twitter that he was going to have it for around July, beginnings or middle of July. So we're still kind of messing around, seeing how everything turns up. But I guess for now it's going to be for July, guys. So you're going to have to wait a little bit longer. But I'm telling you, when this thing is done, this bad boy, you're going to have WinterBoard, DreamBoard mixed in one. And it's going to be basically better than anything iOS 7 has to offer. So iOS 7 did shut us out from a lot of these navigation themes, and it kind of sucks, but you know, DreamBoard just does the job a little bit better in my own opinion. And that's not saying because I always code in DreamBoard. So yeah, guys, release date as of now is going to be around July. This is the beta as of now. I also have other projects in store, but for now, the ones that's going to be released sooner than all the other ones is going to be this one, DreAmIt for DreamBoard, iPhone 5. So check us out, keep following us. There might be an iPhone 4 version. We're going to keep talking about it, alright guys? So take care.